Hello, welcome, and this video I'll show you how to use the sound recognition feature on your iPhone 16e. So to toggle it on, just go to settings and tap on accessibility, scroll down until you see sound recognition and enable this option. And what this option does is, for example, if you were injured or you're deaf, you can toggle this option on. And for example, if you have a baby crying and you're deaf, so you're unable to hear it, your iPhone will alert you that something is going on in the background. And you can also customize the sounds which the phone will be listening to. For example, you can set the alert for your dog or something like that. And that's pretty much it. So if you enjoyed this video and considered it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.